Pivot table is the most important tool in your Microsoft Excel toolset. When you look at your dataset through a pivot table, you have the opportunity to see the details in the data that you might not have noticed before. Furthermore, you can turn your pivot table to see your data from different perspectives. The interactive view we create using Excel pivot table has a special name, and it is Pivot Table Report. This is the pivot table report that we have created in our last lecture. With a pivot table report, you can summarize large amounts of data into meaningful information. You can perform a wide variety of calculations in a fraction of time, and you can quickly and easily categorize your data into groups. This dataset has about 93,160 rows. Getting insight from this data is not only tough, it is almost impossible. But look at this pivot table report. You are getting region-wise sales of all the products, and you have seen how I have created this report in just 10 seconds. Now let's see an example how you can quickly and easily categorize your data into groups. I open the field list and add the order date in the rows area. And see the magic. Sales data of every product is categorized and grouped into years. Can you think of any other easy way to make a report like this? Impossible. Only the Excel pivot table feature has this ability to take a huge amount of data and show a very effective report from that data within seconds. Let's say your boss comes to your table and say you show the sales of 2008 only. Okay, just click on this row labels drop down here. In the select field drop down, I select years and I choose 2008 only from here. Now you see the report. Only sales data of 2008 for every product is showing in the report. So I think I don't have to explain anymore about the effectiveness of Excel pivot table feature. The bottom line is pivot tables can help you dramatically increase your efficiency and decrease your calculation error. Though pivot tables cannot do everything for you, but understanding how to use just the basics of pivot table functionality can take your data analysis and productivity to a new level.